Hello everyone, welcome to Enlightened Study Point. আজি আমি ক্লাছ 9 social science economics part chapter 1 basic concept of economics তাৰে last part give long answer question 1 to 3 লৈ আনিছো। তো ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো যে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তো question 1 টো আছিল explain with example the importance of the study of economics. The study of economics is a necessity for many reasons. First of all, studying economics is required for a healthy democracy. The citizens are required to have a sound knowledge about the economic activity that are taking place in their own life as well as in the country. The people who are paying taxes want to know about the way through which the government collects the revenue, how and on which area the government is making expensive, and if the revenue collected is being spent on correct head of development. The social scientists also study about the cause of poverty, for which they need to study about economics. The conscious customer also want to know about the reason of price rise of different commodities. Important issue like globalization and its merit and demerits, economic development, and many other issues are dealt in the study of economics. Next question. Which definition of economics is the most acceptable and why? Explain. Economics. Lionel Robbins, in the book An Essay on the Nature and Significance of Economic Science, published in 1932, put forward the most acceptable definition of economics. According to him, economics is the science which study human behavior as a relationship between an and scarce means which have alternative uses. This definition highlights three major points. Number 1, human wants are unlimited. 2 number, resources to satisfy human wants are limited. 3 number, scarce resources have alternative uses. These 3 points give rise to economic problem or problems of choices. The problem of deciding which want among the unlimited ones is to be fulfilled by using the scarce resources, which alternative uses is called economic problem or problems of economic. Robbins' definition is also called the definition of scarcity. Robbins' definition is also not above criticism. According to critics, the problem of attaining present economy betterment is more important than the problems of choices. But Robbins is silent on this point. Question number 3. Write about the scope of economics. The scope or range of economics comprise all the monetary activities that take place in a society. The topics which are mainly of importance are as follow. Number 1, consumption. The economic activity which help in achieving satisfaction of our wants is known as consumption. The factor like consumption activities, consumers, equilibrium, etc. fall under the scope of economics. 2 number, production. The formation of needful commodities and services is known as production. The factors of production, land, labor, capital, and organization, the law of production, monetary system, and producers equilibrium, all these factors are dealt in economics. 3 number point, distribution. If the goods and items are distributed among the consumer, then only the consumer can consume. The study of laws and theories which are required for the distribution of goods are also studied in the scope of economics. 4 number, exchange. All goods are not produced by single person or area. Thus, exchange of items between individuals, regions, and countries take place through internal and external trade. These trades are discussed in the scope of economics. 5 number, money. The barter system is not reasonable method, and with creation of money removed the difficulties of barter system and simplified the process of exchange. The role of money, its function, type of money, and part of study of economic. Sixth more point, income. The income of the nation, per capita income mentioned and distribution are part of study of economic. So, hat number point, public finance. It is the study of public revenue, expenditure, and debt, and an integral part of economics. Eight number point, welfare economics. The welfare of the individual and community after any economic activities is also studied in the scope of economics. 9 number point, economics of environment. Industrialization resulted into rapid economic development which resulted in breaking up equilibrium of the environment, and it is a cause of concern of the social scientists. The study of environment has been the subject of study in the scope of economics for maintaining the environmental equilibrium. 10 নম্বর পয়েন্ট হল efficiency, the sensible reasonable uses of resources which are available in less amount for the development of the society is also an important part of the scope of economics. ইয়াতে এই চেপ্টাৰটো কমপ্লিট হৈ গ'ল. ভিডিঅ'কেইটা চাই যদি ভাল পাইছে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব. ধন্যবাদ.